Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now by making sure the phone is unlocked and has enough battery. You don't need full charge, just above 10% to avoid interruptions. Open Settings, or long press a blank area on the home screen and tap Wallpapers. This gets you straight into wallpaper controls. Look at the current wallpaper entry and note the app or live wallpaper name. That tells you where it's coming from. Once done, you'll know whether to remove it from the wallpaper picker or uninstall the hosting app. Now you remove the live wallpaper by selecting a non-live option. Tap the current wallpaper entry, then pick a static photo or a default wallpaper instead. Choose Home, Lock, or both as needed. Apply or set wallpaper to immediately replace the live motion. This stops the wallpaper daemon from running. If the live wallpaper came from an app, note the package name shown in details so you can uninstall the app. That prevents the wallpaper from reappearing or running in the background. Finally, uninstall the Wallpaper Host app if you want it gone for good. Open Settings Apps, find the app and uninstall, or use the Play Store Uninstall button. Once removed, reboot the device to clear any lingering processes and make sure battery use normalizes. If you still see motion or higher battery drain, check battery and background activity to confirm the service stopped. If problems persist, reinstall then uninstall the app again. That often clears permissions and background services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.